Hi, this is Drew Taylor with Team Taylor and Remax Southern Homes, coming to you from our newest listing in Inverness at 3309 Shetland Trace in the Kerry Downs community. Just a short walk from the Hoover Fire Station Park and Playground on Inverness Parkway, right around the corner from Inverness Country Club, award-winning golf course and clubhouse. This beautiful 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home is open concept, as you can see here in the kitchen, open to the great room. You'll see in the video tour, there's tons of updates throughout the home. It has a great finished basement with an in-law suite and kitchenette in the basement. Beautiful home. We hope you'll join us. During the COVID-19 crisis, we've taken extra precautions from all of our listings to make sure that they're clean, sanitized, and that we have plenty of wipes available, and doors will be open, closets and things of that nature to minimize contact. So you can feel comfortable viewing this listing, or like we're trying to do with all of our listings, give you the video walkthrough in case you can get out and about and would still like to see the home. Hopefully this video will help you capture the beauty of this magnificent Inverness home. So enjoy the tour of 3309 Shetland Trace, and hope you'll check it out on our website, mynewbirminghamhome.com, or give your Team Taylor agent a call to check it out in person. Thank you.